Today we are going to learn about Playfair cipher. Playfair cipher is based on 5 into 5 matrix. Now this ciphertext conversion of ciphertext is depending upon the secret key. Okay, here we will provide the secret key to convert the plain text into the ciphertext. Now here one example is given. Plain text is equal to welcome and the secret key is security. So first we have to form the 5 by 5 matrix, that is 5 rows and 5 columns. Then next step you have to do, that is convert this plain text into the pairs. Okay, plain text is encrypted 2 letter at a time. So we will convert this plain text welcome in 2 letters pair. So first is WE, second one is LC, third one is OM, and the next letter, that is E. But here the pair is not forming, so we will keep the filler. The filler is used as X. Okay, every time if your pair is not going to form, then fill that blank space with X value. So our plain text is WELCOMEX. Now we have to fill this matrix first. How to fill that matrix? We will start with the keyword, that is the secret key, and duplication should not be there in between the alphabets. Once you have written S, then don't repeat it again in the matrix. Okay, so we will start with the security. And whenever you are filling this matrix, go from left to right and from top to bottom. So first security. Okay, here no duplications are there, so we have written all the letters. Now whenever you are writing I in the matrix, it is always coming with the letter J. I and J we are writing in the same cell. Okay, because 5 into 5 matrix is of 25 cells and we have alphabets from A to Z, that is 26. We have 26 alphabets. So there will be the one cell will not be there for the alphabet. So we are writing this I and J in same cell. Okay. Now afterwards, after finishing of the keyword, you have to start with the alphabets from A to Z. The remaining alphabets you have to write in the remaining cells. Okay, so we will start with A, then B, C. Already we have written C, so we will not write it again. Then we will move further, that is D. E is also there. F, G, H, I is also there. J is also there. K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R is also there. S is also there. T is also there. U is also there. So we will write here V. W, X, Y is also there. The last letter will be Z. So all these alphabets we have occupied in the matrix. Now start the cipher text. Conversion of the plain text to the ciphertext. We will start with WE. See, whenever the letters which are what are the rules? There are the 4 rules to convert the plain text into the ciphertext. If letters are following in the same row, if that ciphertext or plain text it is coming in the same row, then we have to replace each letter from the left to right. Okay, if it is coming in the same column, then we are replacing each letter from the beneath of the next element. That is S will replaced with I, I will replace with D, D will replace with L, L will replace with Q, and Q will replace with S. S will replace with E, E will replace with C, C will replace with U, U will replace with R. That is same row and same column. Now the next method or the next rule is, if your alphabets or plain text is forming the matrix, then each plain text letter in a pair is replaced by the letter lies in its own row and own column. Okay, we will see with the example. First we will go for the WE. So find out WE from the matrix. Here is the W and here is the E. Then do one thing, for your convenience, draw the rectangular box for these letters. Okay, so we have to replace this A, E lies in the own row. Okay, we have to replace this E with the letters which is lies in the same row, and it should be the end of the square. It should be the end of the square. Here your rectangular box is formed with the two columns. So E will replaced with C and W will replaced with B. Go to the right hand side because it is in the left. It is the last word of the W, and then go move to the backward position. So W will replaced with V and E will replaced with C. You have to see only this rectangular box. Then come to the L and C. Here L and C we have to find out. L and C. So our matrix or rectangular box from this to this. Now C should be replaced with S and L should be replaced with M. Last or ending letter of that matrix. Last or ending letter of the matrix. It is in the same row and it is in the same row. So L will be replaced with N. C will be replaced with S. Then OM. OM. Now OM are in the same row. OM are in the same row. Whenever the letters are in the same row, then we have to replace each letter from the right hand letter. Okay. So O will replaced with P and M will replaced with N. Then the last one is the EX. EX. Again we have to form the matrix. EX. For E, we have to see the last letter of the same row. E will replaced with U and X will replaced with V. Okay, this way we have done with the conversion of welcome into the following cipher text VC NS PN UV.